Good afternoon everyone and welcome to another video. So today guys, I'm going to quickly show you a little truck depot scene. Can't see the screen properly. So you have 4 bays. So these are going to be the first. Anyway, just roll it. So this is for the 132 scale RC trucks. So to have scenery all around it. There is another board to pair up with this. So just gonna build a roof, get some more scenery for it. So these, I'll show you the other board. So this is the other board. It'll go next to that one, right? Also, there's gonna be 2 more boards. So one's gonna go across there, maybe across there. Don't know yet. But so that one's gonna lie here. Put bracing around it now next. So I got no trucks to show at the moment. Maybe Friday's video on this, Friday's update video for this may contain. So guys, please like, subscribe, comment, and also check out the Cardiff to Cornish Route, where you'll see extra stuff like what I get up to, well, what I'm up to, as well as less delays. So which is that, spray painting that. So thanks guys for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.